Good afternoon to everybody. I, Dr. Chirantan Kadyan, is talking to the veterinarians of the country, and my humble appeal is to vote and support for IVA Team 11. Today, in the series to the Veterinary Council of India elections, I would like to discuss about Section 30B of Indian Veterinary Council Act 1984. Section 30B envisages the word supervision by a registered veterinary practitioner for minor veterinary services. For last around 73 years of independence, we do not have any veterinary practice regulations. The Indian Veterinary Council Act came into force in 1984, and till date we are still struggling with the draft veterinary practice regulations. Pashu Chikitsak Mahasangh, our Veterinary Service Association wing, and IVA now thought about that how to combat the unemployment among the veterinarians through Section 30B. The issue we thought was provision of quality services to the mute animals of the country, untrained, ineligible paraprofessionals. So Pashu Chikitsak Mahasangh filed a public interest litigation in the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, with the respondent as Union of India and State Government of Haryana. The notice was issued at the Government of India, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying constituted a committee of 8 directors which had its meeting on 28th June at Delhi, and the draft guidelines were issued to all the states regarding implementation of Section 30B. The main issue is provision of quality services, and that too can be provided only by a registered veterinary practitioner. So the government will be forced to create around 35,000 posts of registered veterinary practitioners across the country, where government veterinary dispensaries, stockman centers, first aid centers are working. Team IVA 11 is going to push up this with all the might and power, along with the VCI power, to have the draft veterinary practice regulations converted to a reality, and a new golden era is in the offing. Our personal appeal to all the registered veterinary practitioners who are unemployed, postgraduate students, that it is a question of honor and dignity that our graduates do not need to work in private industry on a very meager wages. So all veterinarians are requested to support Team IVA 11, as this is the last chance, because for last so many years nobody has taken a lead in this matter, and we are going to make it a reality. I, on behalf of the Team 11, with Dr. R.S. Patel, Dr. Mahesh Yadav, Dr. Umesh Sauntake, Dr. Shadabi and Shadaskar Murthy, Dr. I. Ponu Pandyan, Dr. M.K. Shrikant, Dr. Subol Chandra Patra, Dr. Ilang, Dr. Jitendra Prasad, and Dr. Pramod Pamwar commit ourselves that we will make this a reality and bring a sense of joy for all the unemployed vets. Thank you.